Hi, I'm Gracie. Welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today we're making scrambled eggs. To start off with, we'll need our ingredients. We'll need 2 eggs, some bread for the toast, some butter, a little bit of milk and a little bit of salt. First we need to mix our eggs. When you've mixed them, then you add the milk. You don't need too much of this. Then you add a pinch of salt. And then mix it again. Okay, when it's all mixed up, you put your toast in the toaster. And then before we put our eggs in the pan, we need to put our heat onto a low heat. Then we put the butter in the pan. Okay, and now the butter has, started to melt. We add in our eggs. Don't get your eggs spread out all the way around your pan. And then we start pushing in the eggs from the outside to the middle of the pan. Okay. And about this point, your scrambled egg is ready, but the toast isn't. Then you can just turn the heat off. And you might want to give them a little scramble without the heat on. Just this last bit. And now the toast is ready, so get the toast out of the pan. Not out the pan, out of the toaster. Okay. And when your toast is buttered, you remove the scrambled eggs from the pan and onto the toast. There. And there you have your lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.